Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to scan documents on iPhone 13. To begin, open the Notes application on your phone. You can create a new note by tapping the square with a pencil icon in the bottom right corner. Once inside the new note, locate and tap the camera icon above your keyboard. This will present you with several options, including Scan Documents, which is exactly what we need for crisp, digital copies. Now, hold your iPhone steadily over the document you wish to scan. The device will intelligently detect the document's boundaries and highlight them with a yellow box. It often captures the image automatically once it has a clear view. If it doesn't auto-capture, simply tap the white circular shutter button at the bottom of the screen. Ensure good lighting for the best possible scan quality, avoiding shadows. After the initial scan, you might see a preview that allows for adjustments. If the automatic crop isn't perfect, you can drag the 4 corner points to refine the document's edges, ensuring only the relevant content is captured. Tap the 3 circles icon to apply filters such as grayscale, black and white, or a color photo setting. You can also rotate the document if it was scanned sideways, ensuring it's presented correctly. Once you are satisfied with your adjustments, tap Keep Scan at the bottom right. If you have more pages to scan for the same document, simply repeat the process and they will be added together. When all pages are scanned, tap Save. Your document is now embedded in your note. From there, you can tap the Share icon, typically a square with an arrow pointing up, to send it as a PDF via email, messages, or cloud services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.